Integrating all the displayed and the hidden extra functions on the Tesla car screen into this screen-mounted storage box is truly practical. With a total of 8 buttons, which gathers 13 practical functions. The first 3 buttons are all for popping open the front passenger and rear side doors, making it more convenient for passengers to get in and get off. The fourth button, single-click to open the glove compartment, double-click to open the front trunk, long press the first button on the right to move the front passenger seat forward, and the second button to move it backward, instantly transforming into a chauffeur button. Double-click to activate battery preheating, ensuring the battery is warmed up when using third-party charging stations. The third button, single-click to open or close the trunk, double-click to switch to sport mode. The last button, single-click to turn on or off the interior reading lights, double-click to fold the rearview mirrors. Besides its powerful functions, the storage box has ample capacity to store daily essentials, providing easy access whenever needed. Soft silicone covers are applied where it contacts with the interior, ensuring a quiet and comfortable experience. There's also a hidden magnetic slot for an ETC card at the top, which looks sleek when attached to the windshield. Installation is incredibly simple. Just lift and push to the left to automatically lock in place, then pry open the rear panel and connect the controller to the vehicle through the interface. The working storage box connects to the vehicle seamlessly via Bluetooth signal, without affecting the warranty.